I'm right along the banks of the Saline River near Milan, and I came across these funny looking seed heads, and they belong to a plant called gray sedge. Sedges are sort of like grasses. They grow with kind of just leaves until it's time to flower or fruit. So that's what we're seeing here. It already flowered, and this is the fruit. It's a very spiky looking ball that comes up off a little stalk next to a leaf. And if you feel the leaves of gray sedge and you try to run your finger back towards the main stem, it's kind of sticky. But gray sedges and other sedges are really great for rain gardens. So if you have a wet area on your property that you'd like to soak up, plant some native sedges like this or some other native prairie plants, and you'll be guaranteed to soak up some of that water. The roots on plants like this love to soak up water. They're very long, and they're able to do that way better than any of our cultivated plants that you often see in our gardens. So native plants are the best way to go, and they're just fun to take a look at as they're growing in the wild, just like this gray sedge.